I bought a drift truck and took it out on the ice for some slow drifting action. This is what happened. Hey, welcome back to Gears and Tech. We went out to check out the ice drifters a couple weekends ago. It looked like so much fun that I really wanted to get in on the action. So I started scouring my local Facebook market and I found a 1993 Nissan D21 Hardbody truck. This is perfect for drifting. It's got the Nissan 240SX drivetrain, transmission, everything. 5-speed. It was set up for drifting. Am I any good? I don't know. Let's find out.
It just drifts automatically. Jeez. Better than me. Move out of your way, buddy. Seriously?
Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video.
You want to try this and then you can tell me about grip?
When you're alive, you never really ever die. No crooks, no strings, no one explaining why. When you're alive, you never really ever die. No laws, no kings, no need to testify. When you're alive, you never really ever die. No crooks, no strings, no one explaining why.
Watch out for his bumper. Yeah. Yeah. Lost it. Alright, do you want to go try and push that guy out? I might got a strap. Might be alright. Oh yeah, I think it's okay. We'll get one more lap out of this. No respect for Hardbody. Oh yeah. Everybody. I show up in that and they're like, let's expect something out of this guy. And then you show up and they're like, whatever. You guys are having fun. I'm like, I told Jacob, I'm like, Jacob, I'm totally gonna find a real like to get out ice drifting this year.
Everyone's hyped and to the mix cause they all tight. When you're alive, you never really ever die. No laws, no kings, no need to test. you're alive, you
hear my
never
fan
really
belt
ever
going.
die. No crooks, no strings, no one explaining why. When you get when you add more flavor.
You got no traction.
He's got
the
traction
ice.
control on.
Yeah.
That off. It's getting hot in here. I like winter drifting. As you can see, we had a blast out on the ice. It's always good for some slow speed, ice drifting fun. And as you also probably noticed, I suck at drifting. I think we're gonna go and try and do this at least one more time this season before the ice melts. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can check out the next time we hit the ice. There was a lot of great guys out there. I kept getting stuck by running off the track, and guys had tow straps and were willing to yank me out and allow us to keep having some fun too. It was a great, exciting time. I strongly recommend, if you live anywhere where the lakes freeze over and it's safe to drive on, that you give this a try. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.